Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Style. This is a month of love and it's the Valentine season, and love is in the hair, and you really want to know the kind of hair that will make you look beautiful, the kind of hair for that dreamy, that will give you that romantic look you want. So there's really nothing like some sumptuous beautiful hairstyles, whether they are going up or worn down or cut in the full glory. So to ignite that romance on your Valentine's Day, or maybe the date night, or any night, while your to-do list may be full of ideas, for your Valentine's Day outfit, or maybe let's say the dinner menu and gifts for your girl pals, or maybe significant orders, like ahead of the February 14. So I would like you guys to consider penciling in some time to check out our beautiful compilations of the best Valentine's Day hairstyles. We're talking about toasted updos, we're talking about the pixies, we're talking about the teeny weeny afro, which is the trap, we're talking about the finger waves. So many hairstyles for you to keep up the romance, this February 14th. So if this hairstyle, you can see it's really the typical hairstyle and you want to switch things up, there are tons of other romantic ideas for you to try, like this hairstyle on the screen. One thing with this hairstyle is that you can see how the hairstyle really turn eyes in every occasion, and it's a haircut that will fit all face shape, and it's a hairstyle that will make all beautiful black women out there to be confident in their hairstyle. So for that playful and romantic look, just try this haircut that will always make you look gorgeous and turn eyes. If it's the first time to subscribe, hit the like button, hit notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. So the hairstyles are effortlessly cool, and you can see they are really a cool haircut that best work out with all face shape. Just channel your beauty with the styles we have for you, because it will work best on every heavily layered haircut, and you can see the hairstyle will make you looking good and beautiful all day long. I appreciate my new subscribers, I appreciate my returning subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.